NFTs have taken the worlds of art and gaming by storm. Whether you think they're a speculative FUD or a great new possibility for artists, they continue to make headlines when what seems like a JPEG sells for millions of dollars. From the OG CryptoPunks collection to crypto real estate, NFT is opening a universe of new possibilities when it comes to making money. However, if you've clicked on this video, you probably want to understand more about what an NFT is, and we are going to make it easier for you. Welcome to the Driven Billionaire channel, the channel that helps you understand the crypto world so you too can make money in crypto. In this video, we will explain what NFTs are and give you examples so you can also profit from this new and amazing technology. A disclaimer alert is now in effect. This video is for informational purposes only. We recommend that you always seek professional advice. Let's start. So what are NFTs? Well, NFT stands for a non-fungible token, which means that hidden in those weird artworks, there is a totally unique and non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a digital ledger that uses blockchain technology to establish proof of ownership. NFTs are collectible digital assets that hold value. Just like how physical art holds value, so do NFTs. Even though some people consider NFTs to be a lot like cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, an NFT is actually completely unique. It can't be exchanged like for like, which is where non-fungible starts to make sense. The file stores extra information that elevates it above pure currency and brings it into the realm of, well, anything really. Any kind of easily reproduced digital file can be stored as an NFT to identify the original copy. Photos, art, music, videos, tweets, and even memes. You can make NFTs from almost anything unique, and that can be stored digitally and hold value too. They are the equivalent of any other collector's item, like collectible baseball cards or a vintage action figure. But instead of buying a physical item, NFT enthusiasts pay for a file and proof that you own the original copy. The unique identity and ownership of an NFT is verifiable via the blockchain ledger. At first, they were launched on the Ethereum blockchain, but other blockchains including Flow and Bitcoin Cash now also support them. Whether the original file is a JPEG, MP3, GIF, or anything else, the NFT that identifies its ownership can be bought and sold just like any other type of art. If you wandered into a gift shop of an art gallery, you'd find a number of replicated prints of famous masterpieces. Well, there are some NFTs that act the same way. There are parts of the blockchain that are totally valid, but they wouldn't hold the same value as the original. Saying that, NFTs will most likely come with a license to the digital asset it points to, but this doesn't automatically confer copyright ownership. The copyright owner may reproduce work, and the NFT owner gains no royalties. Despite all of this, don't think you've hacked the system by right-clicking and saving the image of an NFT. That won't make you a millionaire because your downloaded JPEG file won't hold the information that makes it part of the blockchain and identifies the file as the original. If you are interested in buying NFTs, you need to know that they can be bought on a variety of platforms depending on what you want to buy. We actually have a video on the top 5 NFT marketplaces with instructions and tips. For those who are interested, we will leave a link for it on the top right. For now, NFTs are having a bigger moment among gamers, artists, and brands across the spectrum of culture. In fact, it seems every day brings a new player to the NFT marketplace. For artists, stepping into the NFT space adds another possibility for selling art and provides fans with a way to support them, as NFTs art ranges from small, quick-to-make gifts to more ambitious works. It would be expected that work by well-known artists would fetch big bucks as NFTs, something an anonymous group of art enthusiasts relied upon when they burned an original Banksy in order to increase the value of an NFT. However, some sales are still shockingly surprising. Let's take the Beeple sale as an example. It was not only the biggest NFT art sale, but it was also the third highest price ever paid for a work by a living artist. Meanwhile, NFTs are shaking up the concept of in-game purchases in video games. Up until now, any digital assets bought inside a game still belong to the game company, which gamers were buying to use while playing the game. In contrast, NFTs offer the ownership of these assets to the actual buyer. This means that avatars, special skins, swords, etc. can be bought and sold across the gaming platform with extra value applied based on who has owned them along the way. Whole games are now being based entirely around NFTs. We also have a video on the top 7 NFT games, and we will put the link for it in the description below. Even though artists and gamers are heavily involved in NFTs, it doesn't stop there. Lately, NFTs are becoming an attractive revenue stream for brands, and we've seen all kinds of companies jumping into it. Taco Bell's 25 taco-themed gifts and images sold out in just 30 minutes. Each NFT contained a $500 gift card, which may explain their initial popularity, but nevertheless, the taco cards are now selling on the secondary market for over $3,500. Even the US Basketball League NBA has got involved. NBA Top Shot is a way of selling digital collectibles in the form of trading cards embedded with iconic basketball moments, with a plan to add virtual jewelry, accessories, and clothing that can be used across social media. The NBA is aiming to expand this revenue stream as far as it can go. It also turns out that even tweets can hold value. Moreover, Twitter's co-founder, Jack Dorsey, sold his first ever tweet for over $2.9 million. And musicians are also selling the rights and originals of their work, as well as short videos to clips of their music. People can even buy digital real estate and 3D assets like furniture as NFTs. From real estate to extremely expensive crazy pictures of bored monkeys, NFTs and its concept is here to stay. Despite some experts saying it is an extremely inflated market, NFTs are making some people money, and they're creating new possibilities for many industries altogether. Creating ownership and value to unique digital items is what NFTs are all about. Only time will tell where this is leading us. But one thing is for sure, us from the Driven Billionaire channel are very excited for what the future of NFTs has reserved. Hope you guys have got value from this video, and if you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out the awesome designs of the Hodlers Club store. They have awesome crypto merch, which we know you guys will love, including an awesome "Are you bored yet?" shirt inspired by the Bored Apes Yacht Club collection. The link is in the description below. See you guys next time. Take care.